Hi everyone, it's Monica, and welcome back to TaylorMade Cards for You. Well, as promised, I'm finally here to do my drawing for my Christmas in July series. Now, as promised, I said I would have 3 winners, and I chose 3 different videos to do my drawings from. So if you left a comment on the Santa card, then I'm going to be giving away this fun Christmas set. And then if you left a comment on the layered card, you'll be getting this background set that I just showed you. And then finally, if you left a comment on the Polar Express card, I'll be giving away this frame stamp set. Now, if you are in the United States, I will be putting together a little care packet, and I'll be adding a few more goodies. But if you are out of the country, then unfortunately you'll just be getting the stamp set because the postage is so expensive sending it out of the US. But I definitely wanted to include my international followers. So let's go ahead and get started with the drawing here. All right, so for my first winner for this really cute Christmas set, and it is from Just Right Cling. My winner is Sue B. So Sue, if you would please send me an email, I will leave a link below, and I will go ahead and make arrangements to get you your Christmas care package out. Okay, now for the background stamp. As you can see, I cleared out all of the commenters from the first video, and now I'm going to be adding the names for the second video. And my winner for this background stamp is J. Kevin Jill. So J. Kevin Jill, if you would please send me an email, I will leave the link below for you, and we'll make arrangements to get you your Christmas care packet out. All right, so now for my final winner. Okay, and for my final drawing, I'm going to be giving away this frame, and all of these are rubber stamps, and they're really high quality rubber stamps. So hopefully you'll get some use out of them over the Christmas holiday. All right, so let's go ahead and draw my third winner. And the winner for my last stamp set is Laura Leonard. Laura, go ahead and send me an email, and we will make arrangements to get you your Christmas care packet out. So thanks so much for everybody for watching my series last month. I hope I gave you some wonderful ideas for Christmas, and you are starting to think about your holiday creations. Now don't forget, my 7 Days of Halloween series will be coming out next month, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel because that is always a lot of fun. And of course, I plan to doing some giveaways. And I still do have a few kits left over from my Christmas in July series. So if there were any kits that you're interested in getting, there are a couple more, and I'll make sure I'll leave the links below. All right, everybody, thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll see you again next time.